The first thing you'll do in Photoshop is either open a file or create a new file, so let's go over how to do both. You may see a start screen that looks something like this. If you wanted to open an existing image, you could go to the Open button on the start screen and click it, or if you wanted to create a new image from scratch, you could use the Create New button on the start screen. But there's another way to get to these same commands from anywhere in Photoshop. So even if your start screen isn't showing, you can always go up to the File menu at the top of Photoshop and choose New or Open from there. Let's go ahead and choose Open from the File menu to open some existing image files into Photoshop. This will launch your Mac Finder or your Windows File Explorer, where you'll navigate through your file system to an image file and select it. This is my least favorite way. You see, we are artists and we like to do things visually. Look how small the icons are. So I would do all of this in Adobe Bridge, which I'll show you in a later video. Let's stay in Photoshop for right now. You could select one of the practice files that come with this tutorial, as I'm doing, or you can select an image of your own. If you want to open more than one image at a time, hold the Command key on Mac or the Control key on Windows and just select another image file. Then click the Open button. Both selected images open into Photoshop's editing workspace, which is called the document window. At the top of the document window, there's a tab for each open image, and the tab tells you the name of the image. The name is based on the file name. If you want to see another open image, just click its tab. So that's how to open existing images. Let's leave those open and talk about how to create a new image from scratch. You might do that when you want a blank canvas, where you want to draw or paint, or maybe you just want to place multiple images on it. So this time, go to File menu and let's choose New. That opens this new document window. Photoshop comes with a lot of blank document presets that you can start with to find the one that works for you. Then select a document preset where you can customize your new document by typing in your own values like the width and the height, and also resolution and color space. First, select a category of documents from the top of the window: photo, print, art, illustration, web, mobile, film and video. I'm going to select photo. Next, choose one of the preset sizes in this section called Blank Document Presets. If you don't see the one you like, there's an option here to view more presets, titled View All Presets. I'm going to select this preset, the Landscape Orientation 4x6. Now over on the right, all the details have now been set up for me, including the width and the height. If you decide that's not exactly what you want, you can type a different size into the width and height fields at any time. Any of these other settings on the right could also be customized too, but sticking with the presets kind of takes the worry out of having to figure out the technical details at the beginning, and these settings can be changed later in Photoshop if you need to. So to finish creating a new document, click the Create button, and your new blank document appears in Photoshop, ready for you to add photo, text, or maybe a shape, which you'll learn to do as we continue through these videos I'm making. If you like this video, whack it, whack it, and crack-a-lack it.
Yes!
Hey, what are you still doing here? It's over. Actually, all kidding aside, I hope this video helped, and if it did, consider subscribing. I like subscribers.
That's awesome! What? You just took one in the jugular, man! Whoa! Yes! Oh my god, I did! This is...
Hey, you stayed to the end. You know what that means? You're awesome. I'm talking about you. Now get out of here.